Hey, what's up, y'all? Just over here at the end of the track, taking a look up here at the sky, seeing what the weather's doing. Sure is a lot darker over here. I can get a better view on this other side of this ridge here. Look through those trees good enough. Let's go take a walk. Just kind of looking around. Oh, I looked at the rail again here. 1984, Colorado steel. Oh, it's still lit. Does that sky look smoky to you? Looks smoky to me. Not supposed to have anything around here, but somebody's been here, huh? That wasn't like that last year. Somebody must have chewed all that up or broke it. This is the same people that made the switches over at the other spot. Not sure what that was. Can't really see on there too good. Colorado, and I kind of see 1986. Hope that's not too windy. Getting a nice little breeze coming through here. Yeah, let's go check this thing out. This was here last year when I was up here and we had all them fires going on. Them fires were right on the other side. Actually, well, I showed you that last time, I guess. That's where the fire stopped, right there at that ridge. Came over the other side a bit too. Yeah, this thing was up here. Yeah, I'm just looking at the sky. You can get a better view of it now. I like walking down there. kind of lonely. I mean, I don't know, I've been up here for a while now. You get to thinking about stuff, reflecting on stuff too much, you know, and up here. That's new. I wonder why I have the gas up here. So check it out from Nebraska. Stay way back. That's pretty big, huh? Look at that big old Tonka toy. Pretty interesting, huh? What I wanted to show you was the tags on here. Something interesting there. Hope I get some good thumbnails with this. Pretty cool. I like looking at the tags, kind of interesting. See who's been around here. Look at the bottoms of these things. All beat to heck, huh? God, look at that. I think it's on this one here. Where is it? Here it is. Pretty cool, huh? Trying to get a thumbnail out of that. So yeah. Man, I hope it's not going to rain. If it rains, I'm not going to be really videoed because I don't have a waterproof camera. I just got this little Sony Handycam going on. Yeah, I don't know. Wasn't supposed to be anything happening. I think I'm going to hang out here for a little while. there might be something coming here. Kind of a busy morning when I got up this morning. I think I hear something. It's hard to tell when they're coming from the south. It's like you're always kind of hearing them. Alright, well I guess I'm going to cut this short until we get a train coming. Y'all already remember that one. I don't know. God, I hope it doesn't rain. I don't want to have to split. I mean, I'm leaving tomorrow anyway. This is day 5, by the way. Yeah, everything in my cooler's pretty much starting to float in there. I told you we got a train. I knew I heard him coming. What a trip, huh? You just get an ear for him after a while. I wonder what's on those and why they go north. about all them tags. Well, mostly the graffiti. It's like, man, I've seen that car before. Looks like I've seen that before, too. That one. Some of those are pretty familiar. You never know what'll happen up here. Yeah, it must have been a big, well, obviously it's a big ass. I heard it coming for a while. Bye-bye, Freddy. Just like that, it's all quiet. Pretty cool, huh? Right on. Alright, well, I'm really not liking this weather looking, y'all. It looks like it might rain up here. I just wanted to keep that on there. So hey, there's like a little shack down over here I want to go check out. I'm just worried about the lightning. The rain, I'm not worried about the rain, but man, once we start getting up some lightning, you're going to start having some fires. All right, Char Explorations, bring it to you, man. I'm out of here. I think we're going to go down to that little spot, and when we get down there or something new, I'll get back on here. Peace.